In this tutorial, we are going to create parallax effect like this. In your React application, we create 3 pages, and by scrolling, we have parallax effect. Like always, create a React application using create React app package. Run this command on VS Code in VS Code new terminal and start your application. Here is gonna be the result. Let's create a new terminal and npm install @react-spring/parallax. Then open your app.js. Let me make it smaller. Get rid of all content in the div and import parallax and parallax layer from this new package. In the return section, create a div. Then define parallax component. Inside that, create 3 parallax layer, first, second, and third. Here is the structure of parallax component. Let's set props for it. We have 3 pages. For first layer, set offset to 0, second one offset to 1, and the third one offset to 2. So we define the way that we are going to scroll between layers. Next step, set class name to center for all of them and go to app.css and add this class .center, display flex, justify content center, and align item center. Next step, set style for parallax to background image linear gradients from this color to this one. Save the code, and here is the result. Let's add the stuff in parallax layer. For the first one, create a div, page 1, second one, page 2, and the third one, page 3. Save it. Page 1, page 2, and page 3. Also, we can set a style for them. Let's say for the first page, set background color to this one. For the second page, in the parallax rail, set a style to this color. So we have this transition. And for the last parallax layer, add style. This one is gonna be the final. Awesome. We successfully implemented parallax design for our React application.